All right, so for this power steering bracket, I think what I'm gonna do is actually just weld a bead on top of the bracket and see if I can push it out the whole, make the whole bracket bigger just by adding the wire from the welder, and then just grind it down or whatever, so I can get a good fit in between this bushing. So that's the plan. So got a couple beads welded and I installed it, and it looked like it did pretty well. I couldn't see any movement from the rack when I was just banging it back and forth manually. Of course the engine's not on, so the power steering's not running, but I think I'm just gonna smooth this out and paint it and go with what I got here. You can see it kind of pulled the bushing out when I pulled it off. Wasn't that tight, but hopefully that'll be enough to keep my steering wheel centered.